Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabilo YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change secondary button on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to General Management. Here in General Management, go to Mouse and Trackpad. Here in Mouse and Trackpad, okay, you can see the secondary button. And okay guys, the secondary button is set into Open Contextual Menu. And okay guys, to change this, okay, you'll have to stop the secondary button. And the options are show. Now you can set the secondary button into None, or to show the apps screen, home, recent, back, view notification, open quick settings, or even the open app. And okay guys, so I decide to change and to home. So okay, go back, and okay, here the secondary button is set and to home. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the secondary button on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.